YouTube is a place where you come for answers, or the occasional mindless video to distract you from your life. No judgment.
Laugh out loud. Yeah, that's what I did.
Well, maybe a little. But for those who actually want to learn something, I'm starting a new series here on my channel called Ask an Engineer, where you can ask me any questions that come to mind. Now, I definitely don't know everything, but being a good engineer is knowing where to look to find the right answers. And if I don't know the right answers, I will admit it, and maybe we can ask the community for a better answer. I've dabbled in a lot of different forms of making throughout my life. There's always some way to get better or to learn something new. I've always been really addicted to learning about making because the more I know, the more powerful I feel. If I can look at something complicated and say, I know how to make that, then I feel empowered by understanding. I can conquer difficult problems to help myself, my family, and possibly other people. The other benefit about learning methods of making is that it explains one little bit about the universe one step at a time. It connects dots that I didn't know were related to each other. It helps me find meaning in the chaos and provides me with purpose. Now, you can go as deep with this as you want to go. If you want to know about drill sizes, ask about it. If you want to go deep into some physics and material science questions, go for it. If you want to talk about movies and how they relate to real-world science, I'm in. Many YouTube creators want to be known as the expert, but I'm not really afraid to admit when I'm wrong, and I could easily learn something from you too. I've met people who have devoted themselves to one discipline for their entire lives versus the jack of all trades approach. They will have a more intimate understanding about that topic than I could ever have. The exchange of knowledge goes both ways, and this is your invitation to join the conversation. If you have a question you'd like answered, leave a comment. You can also join my Discord server. There are links in my profile on my YouTube channel or in the description for this video. There will be a heading in the server called Ask an Engineer. And while you're at it, just introduce yourself. I'll be keeping an eye out, and I hope to make this a regular thing, so give it your best to find something to stump me. So submit those questions and I'll keep an eye out. So bye for now, and I'll see you next time.